यहाँ पर हम सीखने वाले हैं किसी एक पत्थर को कैसे बैलेंस किया जाता है दूसरे पत्थर के ऊपर। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो कि जो हमारा फाउंडेशन रॉक है, इसकी जड़ें ज़मीन में हैं और इस पत्थर के ऊपर हमने इस तकरीबन 50 किलो के पत्थर को बैलेंस किया हुआ है। तो आज मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा कि इस तरह का बैलेंस कैसे किया जाता है। Gaurav or मैं, Gaurav, say hello to everyone on the camera. Hello. So Gaurav is going to demonstrate to us how this is done, and while he's at it, I will explain exactly what is happening here, because it is very difficult for a balancer to explain what is happening. Either that person can focus on the activity or talk about it. So since there are two of us here today, Gaurav will demonstrate and I'll explain. So let's begin. Gaurav, pick up the rock so that everybody knows that it's not stuck. As you can see, there is no glue, and there goes the 50 kg rock. As soon as Gaurav places it on the foundation rock, it establishes its first point of contact. 3 पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट हमको ढूंढने हैं। वो ये जो टिप आपको नजर आ रहा है यहाँ पर, जैसे ही आप पत्थर रखते हो, आपको आपका पहला पॉइंट मिल जाता है। थोड़ा सा अगर आप उसको घुमाओ, थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करो, तो आपको दूसरा भी मिलेगा, तीसरा भी मिलेगा। तीनों पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट मिलते ही आपको एक ऐसा सेंसेशन आएगा दैट द टॉप रॉक इज लॉकिंग इनटू द फाउंडेशन रॉक। आर यू देयर येट, गौरव?
Yes, sir.
Almost there. How many points have you figured out yet?
I think one.
Okay, so you have found first point of contact. Now Gaurav is struggling to find the second point. But the struggle here is, as soon as he finds the second point of contact, it's very likely that he'll lose the first point. And this will happen over and over for a while until you get everything right. They're almost there.
I
Right,
think I
Gaurav?
got second one.
You got the second point. Is it aligned in the path of gravity?
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out third one,
Mm-hmm.
but tilting that side.
So like he said, it's tilting. Because it's tilting, it is out of that alignment with the path of gravity. You also have to align it in the path of gravity, and you have to establish at least 3 points of contact. Anything less than 3 and it won't work. Anything more than 3 and it will not look so interesting. Well, on a microscopic level, there are certainly more than 3 points, but your job as a rock balancer is to find as less as 3 points of contact. The lesser they are, the more interesting the balance looks. Looks like we're almost there. With such deep breathing, your focus sharpens, your awareness is heightened, and with such keen observation, a balance such as this becomes possible. There you go. Right? Come here. Let them see the clean, bold lines. Good job. So, this is how you balance a single rock on the top of any other rock. This is a 50 kg rock. I will not advise you to start with such a heavy rock. Perhaps you can go for a rock as big as your own head, nothing bigger, nothing smaller. Because if you go for a smaller rock, perhaps you won't be able to explore those points in the center of the rock because it's too small. So, probably you should go for a rock as big as your head and try balancing it. If you have any questions, any queries, any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comments. I will try to answer each and every question you may have. And that's pretty much it. Keep balancing, keep rocking.